Hello there, and welcome back to Steam It with Steve. Today we're going to go through the next level in our Code Combat adventure. So if we go up here, we've done 4A, we're now going to do 4B, the Forgetful Gemsmith. So if we click on that one, and then we'll go play, let's have a look. Okay, so you got to collect all 4 gems, get to the exit, bonus do it under 9 statements. So we're going to move right, then we're going to move down. Gems are up. So let's go from there. Whoop, we're going to start up. Okay. So we're going to go hero.move right. Then we're going to go hero.move down. Then we want him to move right again. But this time we're going to make him move 2 times to the right. Then we're going to go hero.move up. Then hero.move right. Oops, I've done it again. Sorry, it should be capital R there, otherwise it won't work. Whoops. Awesome, so now it should move right, down, to the right, up, and then right. So let's run this play and see what happens.
Move down. Move right. Move up. Move right.
Excellent. Nailed it. Good job. So we'll go done. And then we'll bring it back to the map. So hopefully that's helped you. Thanks again. See you next time on Steam It with Steve.